Hi, welcome back. Here we are again, back in paradise. We've got the gaskets now to fix the exhaust on the Rover Sport. First, I'll just give you a little update on the Classic there. So I'll spin you around and I'll show you what's been done. So there we go, boot floors are welded in. It's actually a Discovery floor, because apparently you can't get floors for a Classic. So you have to buy two Discovery floors, and because the Discovery is shorter, you have to stitch two of them together. So like I said last time, the bloke's done a cracking job who's welding this. But yeah, that was put in on Saturday. I don't think anything else has been done. Still a big hole in there, but yeah. But there you go, update for the Classics. I know a couple of you were interested in that. Not much to update, but yeah, there we are. Right, back onto this. So it's late evening now. I've finished work. I'm up here now. I'm not going to be up here all night, but the goal for today really is get the exhaust gaskets on and get the body back on and sort of some of it bolted up and wired, and then I'll finish it on the weekend then. I screwed that then. The gaskets they've given me are for those pipes there and not them ones, and those gaskets are smaller, so they're wrong. So that was a wasted trip coming up here, wasn't it? So it's going to have to wait till the weekend now. So I have to get the right ones and come back. So see you on Saturday. Right, it's now Saturday. It's wet, miserable and cold. And I'm going to head back up to the workshop now. Hopefully Sid will be there with the new gaskets. Let's get on. Let's get up there. Okay, we have our new gasket, and they've changed these now. It's got little ears on it to clip around the pipe, which is nice because we haven't got the pipe all the way off.
Come on in.
We're on it, Grantley, we're on it.
On it, son. See those away, mate?
Absolutely fabulous.
Oh, look, you see what I mean?
The gasket. Fucking fits, mate.
Right, 8mm fucking socket.
Got it.
Fucking novice boy.
Thank you, Grantley.
No problem. That was a pretty
Bastard, innit?
it's a blinker.
Right, where's the heat shield for that?
See better days of it.
Yeah, right, it don't fucking stay on, look.
Oh, perhaps what do you call it? This
Right, there's another bolt for there, which I need.
Is it in there?
this one to the side there, look.
Oh, that's it.
Shield fill, mate.
Yeah.
If I push it at the same place now, just get the bolt in.
Can you imagine doing this with a body on it? It'd just be a ball ache, wouldn't it?
Yeah. I wouldn't like to clean it, that's for sure.
I need a 10mm socket now, Grantley.
Same as that?
Yeah, quarter, yeah, quarter. Okay, that's that one done. Right, so you go hold, well, get the body done, but you go hold.
You go up first and before we come down.
Yeah, you go hold that up.
Yeah.
No one ain't got me.
On him down. On he's coming down. Oh, he's down with now.
Go on then.
I can speed it up now. Whoop.
This not.
Eh?
This bottle.
Yeah, because it was upside down.
See the phone?
No, it's because it was upside down. Yeah. Back down, right? Are you right your side, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, so fast.
Just something at the back.
Get in there? Was it that?
Yeah.
Tuck that under the arch. What, is that one on the tyre or something? Huh? That one on the tyre?
No, can't keep going down now.
What's that rubber on, Grant?
What it is, this bracket is on this rubber bit. It's alright, you don't pass it now, it should be alright.
Okay.
Not far to go down here.
No.
Okay.
You want that wire and see and keep your bottle out the way.
Happy now?
Right. Yeah, I think so, Grant.
Yeah,
Right there? You're good, yeah? Is that wire a little bit? Yeah.
More?
Yeah.
Is that alright?
It's actually under there. That's right. Okay, let's get some bolts in, shall we?
Yep.
Okay, so this is where we're up to. As you can see, body's on. The wheels are not on it yet, because we just got to bleed the brakes. It's all pretty much back up together now. A couple of little bits and pieces to sort out in there. We'll fill it with coolant again and run it up. Check the gearbox oil and put the under trays on. And I think we are about there. So yeah, just a quick update. So I haven't filmed any of putting it together because really just wanted to get on and do it. But there we are. She's looking pretty good now. Okay, so that's going to do it for this episode. So I didn't film much of it because we just wanted to crack on and get the problem sorted out. So there's only a few bits left to do and we'll run him up again. So there will be one more episode and that will be the test drive. And a walk around of it all, finished all back together. I hope you enjoyed this series. It's been a slog, I'll tell you that. I'll see you next time when we give it a spin up the road. All the best, ta-da now.